Music can make you feel less pain. There is an Obama Fried Chicken (OFC) in China. Losing 1 night of sleep will impair reasoning and brain function for 4 days. The more educated woman is, the more likely she is to be a heavy drinker. A snail can sleep for 3 years. Only a quarter of Sahara Desert is sandy. Kangaroo rat never drinks a water in its entire life. Cats have fewer toys on their back paws. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. Bees can fly higher than Mount Everest. You can thank the Greeks for calling Christmas Xmas. Drinking black tea can prevent lung damage from smoking. The US Navy has been using dolphins and sea lions to detect underwater mines since 1960. More than 7,000 types of apples grown throughout the world. More energy from the sun hits Earth every year than the planet uses in a year. The youngest mom in history is Lina Medina, was just 5 years 7 months old when she gave a birth to her 2.75 kg son. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. In Iceland, it's illegal for parents to discipline their child with scary stories about fictional characters. Medical errors are the top cause of deaths. The world wastes about 1 billion metric tons of food each year. Some cats are allergic to humans. The cleanest water in the world is Melisani Lake, Greece. The squirrel uses its tail as an umbrella. Jack Black is the son of a rocket scientist. Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ron Wayne started Apple Inc. on April Fool's Day. For 100 years, maps have shown an island that doesn't exist. Whale songs can be used to map out the ocean floor. Daytime naps helps to improve your memory and cut the risk of heart disease. It's possible to faint or die from pooping too hard. The best place in the world to see rainbows is in Hawaii.